Hello and welcome back to the channel where we turn houses into dream homes. In today's video, we are diving into small kitchen ideas and stylish kitchen ideas, and of course, easy kitchen cleaning tips. If you have a small space or want to upgrade your kitchen style without a full renovation, this video is just for you. Let's get started. Let's begin with small kitchen ideas. Having a small kitchen doesn't mean you have to compromise on style or function. Here are some smart tricks to make your kitchen feel bigger and work better. Use vertical space. Install shelves above your countertops or cabinets all the way to ceilings. It gives extra storage without eating floor space. Choose light colors. White, light gray, and soft pastels can make your kitchen look more open and airy. Go for multiple function furniture. Use foldable tables, pull-out cutting boards, or built-in appliances to save space. Use glass and mirrors. Glass cabinet doors or a mirrored backsplash can usually expand the room. Keep it clutter-free. Only keep essential items on the counters. The more open space you see, the larger your kitchen will feel. These tips are small, simple, but super effective. Small kitchen, big impact. Now let's move on to stylish kitchen ideas to give your space that wow factor. Add under cabinet lighting. This small upgrade adds warmth, brightness, and modern flair instantly. Mix textures. Try a mix of materials like wood, metal, glass, or marble for a rich, layered look. Upgrade your backsplash. A new backsplash with tiles, peel and stick patterns, or even stone can change the whole vibe of your kitchen. Use statement hardware. Swap out your cabinet handles with modern or vintage knobs. It's like giving your kitchen jewelry. Display beautiful knitwears. Open shelves or glass cabinets filled with matching mugs, bowls, or jars can be both functional and decorative. Add a pop of color. Paint one cabinet a bold color or use bright accessories like rugs, curtains, or bar stools. With just a few design tweaks, even the most ordinary kitchen can look magazine worthy. Now let's talk about keeping your kitchen clean and sparkling. Daily cleaning routine. Wipe down counters and stovetop after every meal. Wash dishes immediately or load them into the dishwasher. Sweep the floor daily to avoid crumbs and pests. Weekly tasks. Clean cabinet handles and appliance surfaces. Wipe inside the microwave and fridge. Mop the floor with warm water and mild cleaner. Deep cleaner tips. Once a month, empty and clean the fridge shelves. Degrease the kitchen exhaust fan or chimney. Soak and clean dish racks and sponges. Wipe walls and corners where grease can collect. Natural cleaning hack. Mix equal parts vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner and add a few drops of lemon for a fresh smell. It's budget-friendly and chemical-free. A clean kitchen not only looks great, it keeps the family healthy too. And that's it for today's kitchen makeover and maintenance guide. We looked at small kitchen solutions, simple style upgrades, and how to keep your kitchen spotless every day. Remember, no matter the size of your kitchen, smart design and regular cleaning can make a huge difference. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite kitchen style, or do you have a cleaning tips to share? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to share it with your friends, family, and for your favorite ones. Bye bye. पंखा चला रही हूँ मैं।